Meaning of gladness.
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 Gladness. Gladness is a feeling of pleasure or happiness that arises from achieving something desired, seeing someone else's success, or simply experiencing moments of joy in life. This positive emotion is closely associated with gratitude, contentment, and satisfaction. It can also be described as a state of mind that is free from worries, fears, and anxieties. Experiencing gladness can enhance one's overall well-being and lead to a more positive outlook on life. Cultivating gladness can be achieved by practicing mindfulness, focusing on positive experiences, and expressing gratitude for blessings.